How to register Scene Card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get registered or sign up for Scene Card. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your web application. At the top search bar, type in Scene Register. You will see Register for Scene Plus on your first search result. Tap Open it. Then you will be leaded towards this page. Simply to sign up, enter your email address. Now create yourself a password. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters, includes at least one number, one uppercase letter, one lowercase, and a special character. As you do so, enter the same password at this box again. Now, if you would like to pick up a card in store and would like to register, check the box that says yes. Lastly, check the box that says I agree to all these terms and conditions and tap on to next. Just like so, follow the on-screen prompt at the next page to create yourself and Sheen Plus account. And that is how you can do it. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.